Your diesel engine is built tough, but certain habits can send it to an early grave. Today, I am exposing 6 deadly mistakes that are silently killing your diesel engine, and how to avoid them. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. 1. Running too many short trips. Cold diesel engines suffer dramatically more wear than properly warmed up ones. Those quick grocery runs and school drop-offs never allow your engine to reach optimal temperature. Your particulate filter can't regenerate. Unburnt fuel dilutes your oil, and moisture accumulates throughout the system. If short trips are unavoidable, take your diesel for a 30-minute highway run weekly to clear the system. 2. Lugging the engine in high gears. That massive low-end torque is tempting, but constantly lugging your diesel at extremely low RPMs damages both engine and transmission. Despite what many believe, running at the absolute lowest RPM isn't efficient, it's destructive. Diesel engines have a specific power band that must be respected. Downshift when needed, and let the engine work within its designed parameters. 3. Changing engine oil late. Diesel fuel may lubricate, but engine oil is your engine's lifeblood. When manufacturers recommend oil changes every 12,000 miles, experienced diesel owners know better. Frequent oil changes are the single most effective way to extend your diesel's life. I recommend that you change your oil every 5,000 miles. High-mileage drivers often cut those intervals in half for a reason. Contaminated oil becomes abrasive, accelerating internal wear with every mile. 4. Excessive idling. Many diesel owners leave their engines idling for extended periods, thinking it's easier on the starter. In reality, idling causes excessive moisture buildup in the exhaust and oil, prevents proper DPF regeneration, and accelerates carbon deposits. Unless you're in extreme cold, modern diesels don't benefit from long warm-ups. They need to work under proper load. 5. Using low-quality fuel. Diesel injection systems operate under extreme pressure, up to 30,000 psi in modern engines. Poor quality fuel introduces contaminants that score precision components, while water in fuel promotes internal corrosion. The first sign of fuel system issues is usually declining MPG, followed by increased soot production. By then, expensive damage has already begun. 6. Ignoring DPF regeneration cycles. Modern diesel engines need to regularly regenerate their particulate filters at temperatures around 600 degrees Celsius, or 1,112 degrees Fahrenheit. This process takes 15 to 20 minutes of specific driving conditions. Many owners interrupt these cycles by turning off their engines prematurely or never driving long enough to initiate regeneration. If you notice signs of regeneration starting, slight change in engine note, increased idle speed, cooling fans running, complete your journey rather than shutting down. Consistently interrupted regeneration cycles will eventually lead to expensive DPF replacement and potential engine damage. Number 7. Babying your diesel engine. Believe it or not, always driving your diesel gently can actually harm it. Diesel engines need occasional higher RPM driving to clear carbon deposits and ensure complete combustion. Always staying under 2,500 RPM and never using full throttle leads to carbon buildup, clogged EGR valves, and sluggish turbochargers. The solution? Once weekly, find a safe stretch of highway and run your engine through its full RPM range for a few minutes. This Italian tune-up clears deposits, exercises the turbo, and helps maintain proper cylinder pressures, extending your engine's life without any costly repairs. Remember, diesel engines are incredibly durable when treated properly. By avoiding these 7 destructive habits, your diesel can easily surpass 300,000 miles of reliable service. Like this video and subscribe for more practical automotive advice that saves you money and extends your engine's life.